Hello students, welcome back to our channel Ganit Catalyst. Today we are doing second part of fourth chapter, data handling and presentation. Earlier we have done part 1 of Ganita Prakash Class 6 NCERT. Today we will cover topic pictographs. Now what is pictograph? Pictograph represents data through pictures of objects. It helps answer about data with just a quick glance. तो यहाँ पर पिक्टोग्राफ एज द नेम सजेस्ट पता चल रहा है कि पिक्चर ग्राफ, अ ग्राफ मेड अप ऑफ पिक्चर्स. सो वी रिप्रेजेंट डेटा थ्रू पिक्चर्स ऑफ ऑब्जेक्ट्स और इसके कारण हम एक बार में पिक्चर को देखकर ही आंसर इजीली कर सकते हैं. नाउ पिक्टोग्राफ्स आर नाइस विजुअल सजेस्टिव वे टू रिप्रेजेंट डेटा. They represent data through pictures of objects. Pictographs can help answer questions and make inferences about data with just a quick glance. For example, about favorite games. We can gather information about favorite games, favorite colors, common modes of conveyance, number of students absent in a class, etc. Now, by reading a pictograph, we can quickly understand frequencies of different categories. तो पिक्चर्स में कितने पिक्चर्स हैं उसी से हम देख लेंगे कि इसमें ज्यादा है इसमें कम है. एंड कंपैरिजंस ऑफ दीज फ्रीक्वेंसीज. इन a pictograph, the categories can be arranged horizontally and vertically. For example, for each category, simple pictures and symbols are drawn in designated columns or rows according to frequency of that category. Next, in pictograph, a scale or a key. So, a scale or key, for example, this smile denotes 1 student, or you can write down 5 students according to data. अगर डेटा बहुत बड़ा है, उसको हमने कंजेस्टेड जगह पे डिनोट करना है तो हम क्या करेंगे, उसको बड़े वॉल्यूम से रिप्लेस कर देंगे. तो जैसे यहाँ पे अगर कम बच्चे हैं तो वी कैन टेक 1 2 3, और अगर हमारे पास 20 30 35 बच्चे हैं तो वी कैन रिप्रेजेंट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ 5 स्टूडेंट्स. सिंगल स्माइली विल डिनोट 5 स्टूडेंट्स. इज एडेड टू शो दैट ईच सिंबल और पिक्चर रिप्रेजेंट्स. Each symbol or picture can represent 1 unit or multiple units. It can be more challenging to prepare a pictograph when amount of data is large. So this is disadvantage of pictograph. So what is the disadvantage? That if large amount of data is there, so it would be more challenging to prepare pictograph when frequencies are not exact multiples of scale or key. अगर frequencies 2 के मल्टीपल की नहीं है तो हमें बड़ा मुश्किल हो जाएगा उसको रिप्रेजेंट करना, या 5 के मल्टीपल की नहीं है तब भी मुश्किल हो जाएगा. लेट अस टेक वन एग्जांपल. नाउ मोड्स ऑफ ट्रेवलिंग. हियर वी कैन सी, यहाँ टॉप पे आप देखोगे यहाँ लिखा हुआ है सिंगल स्माइली इज इक्वल टू 1 स्टूडेंट, राइट. सो दिस डिनोट्स फ्रीक्वेंसी. नाउ प्राइवेट कार, 4 स्माइलीज. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट डाउन द फ्रीक्वेंसी वैल्यूज. यहाँ पर कितना है, 4 स्टूडेंट्स आते हैं. Next, public bus 1 2 3 4 5. So it is equal to 5. So just complete the table by putting numbers after the pictures. So school bus you can count 3 6 9 10 11. So here it is 11. Next we have 3. So cycle 3, walking 7. Now question arises, which mode of travel is used by most number of students? So you know, अब पिक्चर को देख के पता चल रहा है कि सबसे ज्यादा स्माइलीज कहां पर है. So it is through school bus. Next, which mode of travel is used by least number of students? सबसे कम कौन से हैं, cycle. So we have 3 students and it is cycle. Now let us discuss one example given in NCERT. Nand Kishore collected responses from the children of his middle school in Biresia regarding how often they slept at least 9 hours, at least, kam se kam, during the night. He prepared a pictograph from the data. Always means at least they slept, मतलब कम से कम 9 घंटे सोए. तो first one triangle means it is 10 students. So how many triangles are there? 1 2 3 4 5. So it is equal to 50. 10 into 5 is 50 children. Next case, it is 1, 2 and it is half. So 20 and half of 10 is 5. So it is equal to 25. Next, never is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it is equal to 4 tens are 40. Now, what is the number of children who always slept at least 9 hours at night means at least means here it is always. So answer is, in case of first का answer है 50 children. How many children sometimes slept at least 9 hours at night? So sometimes answer is 25 children. Third question, how many children always slept less than 9 hours at night means never. So always slept less than 9 hours. So here 9 hours at least है तो इसका मतलब उससे कम तो है नहीं है. So answer is 40 children. Now drawing a pictograph. Again, this is a question from NCERT. One day, Lakhan Pal collected data on how many students were absent in a class. So class 1, 3 students, 2, 5, 3, 4, 4, 2, 5, 0, 6, 1, 7, 5, 8, 7. So you can see यहाँ पे जो frequencies है, number of students है वो बहुत कम है. तो हमने इसको करना है show data through a pictograph. So we take vertical line, horizontal line. So on vertical line, equal distance so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are all classes 6, 7, 8. Now these are classes and number of students we write down horizontally. Now here we can take one smiley, one student. So in case of 1, there are 3. So you will draw 3 smileys. Second, it is 5. So draw 5 smileys. Third, 4. So 4. 6. A fourth is 2 students absent. Fifth, nil. Sixth, 1. Seventh, 5. And eighth is 7 students were absent. 4, 5, 6, 7. So you can just write down the values also. 7, it is equal to 5, 1, 0. Here it is 2, 4, 5, and for first class it is 3. So this is how we can have a pictograph. We can draw pictograph. Now figure it out, page number 83. First question, the following pictograph shows the number of books borrowed by students in a week from the library of middle school Ginori. So here we can see a table. So it is days are Monday, Tuesday up to Saturday. Number of books borrowed. There is a pictograph detail frequency. 1 book means this is equivalent to 1 unit, 1 book. So here we write down 5 books in Monday. So you write down 5. So complete the table by writing the numbers. Next is 4, Wednesday, 2, Thursday, nil, Friday, 5, and Saturday, 8. Now questions are there. On which day were the minimum number of books borrowed? So minimum number means no book borrowed on Thursday. On Thursday, no books were borrowed. What was the total number of books borrowed during the week? So we just add. So total is equal to 5 plus 4 plus 2 plus 0 plus 5 plus 8. So it is equal to 9 plus 2, 11 plus 5, 16, 16 plus 8, 24 books. On which day were the maximum number of books borrowed? What may be the possible reason? Maximum number of books borrowed on Saturday. As it's a weekend, hence children can accompany their parents to visit libraries and they can borrow books. Next question, second, on 83-84 page. Magan Bhai sells kites at Jamnagar. 6 shopkeepers from nearby villages come to purchase kites from him. The number of kites he sold to these 6 shopkeepers were given below. Chaman 250, Rani 300, Ruxana 100, Jasmeet 450, Jethalal 250, Poonam Ben 700. Now prepare a pictograph using the symbol this to represent 100 kites. Answer the following questions. So first we draw pictograph. So for pictograph, draw horizontal and vertical line. So we write down a kite symbol is equal to 100 kites. So starting with Chaman, 250 means 200 full. And 1 half. So it is equal to 250. Next 300. So we draw 3 kites. $300. Ruxana 100. So only 1 kite. Next Jasmeet 450. So 4 kites, full 5 kites and 150 half kite. So it is equal to 450. Jethalal 250, 200, 2 kites full and 1 half. So it is equal to 250 and Poonam Ben 700. So 7 kites. Last one 700. So here number of kites sold and here shopkeeper. Now on the basis of this pictograph, how many symbols represent the kites that Rani purchased? So we have how many symbols used? 3 symbols. 3 kites were used. Who purchased maximum number of kites? So यहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है सबसे ज्यादा kites कहाँ पर है? Poonam Ben. Who purchased more kites, Jasmeet or Chaman? Jasmeet 450 and Chaman 250. So obviously it's Jasmeet. Ruxana says Poonam Ben purchased more than double the number of kites that Rani purchased. So Rani purchased 300. So if you take case of Rani, so it is 300. If you double it, it is equal to 600. And Poonam has 700. So is she correct? Yes. Because 600 is less than 700 that Poonam Ben purchased. This is all about pictograph. Next में हम bar graph करेंगे. Till then, do practice, draw pictographs. And if you have any query, kindly ask me in comment section. Thank you. Kindly like, subscribe and share.